All right, so we're just specking everything right now. I'm checking side clearance, and then we'll check crank in play and cam in play, and then gear backlash, piston protrusion. Okay, crankshaft in play. We already checked it the same way. It's 6 thousandths, a little bit hair big, still within spec. But we got, let's see, it's reading 91 to 95. So we got 4 thousandths on camshaft in play, which is changed by this thrust washer, the plate that goes on it. And we're gonna have to see if, I don't know, we'll have to look at this camshaft, see if it'll survive, because otherwise we'll have to get the gear and get a new cam. I mean, we got all kinds of camshafts we could throw on there, but now we'll check gear backlash on the camshaft.
Okay, so we noticed on number 2, yeah, got a valve hit right there.
Valves are hitting.
Right there.
I thought I did see that they surfaced it.
Trying. I haven't really looked at that.
It is 33.
Oh, we got some on number 1 as well.
Yeah, so they've had 11,000 taken off of these cylinder heads. Right now, this is 3.7, 0.5.
Number 1 touched a little too.
25 plus 9. So 34. The spec is 4.0. So we got 6 thousandths cut off of it. Ideally. Here, let's go over here. I already measured that. So now, looks like we got, oh wow, it's not even cut true either.
I was wondering.
That is 30, 29 and a half. So we got 11.5 thousandths cut off this side. And then over here, we've got, let's see how much I can get it with actually turning it. Yeah, 8. Uh, 33. So that's 7 to 11. We got 7 thousandths skinnier than spec here and 11 thousandths skinnier here. Now let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this is way smaller. That's 29, which means that one had 11 cut off, right? 29, 30, yeah, 40. That one had 11 cut off. Now let's check this one. Is this one 7 as well? Oh no, no, this is all the way down to 25. Yeah, they chopped the hell out of this one. See, it almost goes all the way to 0, which is, yeah. Yeah, so that's 25. So this side's had 15 thousandths cut off of it, this side of the head.
Wow, we're gonna have to watch those.
What good is it to measure piston protrusion if you got crap all over it that ain't even gonna let you measure it?
Yeah. Because sometimes a thousandth is a big deal, right? Sometimes a thousandth is a big deal.
All right, so we're barring it over and checking protrusion, and you know, maybe this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to start checking how these pistons are setting from a factory setting, right? Haven't been touched yet. So I got 19, 18 and a half here. Okay, but look at this. 29. Okay, well, damn. So maybe we can't even go off that, because I got 24 on the side. And that one's pretty good, 23. So 24 and 23, but it's way crooked up and down. It's way crooked this way, which is just how it's in the bore. It pivots on the wrist pin like that. So being out, up and down like that is, I mean, I could probably push it back. Let's just see. I could probably make it go. There's 30. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got the play in it. So what do we want to call it? Considerably less play this way, side to side. So we got 26 to 22 and a half. The rest at about 24. And that's about 23 and a half. I mean, we could call it 20. Just call it 24. 24 and number 8. But that's how we're checking all these.
Okay, bed plate's off.
Yeah. The bearings do not, they look like they, just another set of bearings that absolutely did their job. There's a little, well, there's, barely feel it there. I can feel a little bit better on that one.
See it a little better on that one.
Yeah. So, I mean, you know, the more we ran it, the more it would have scratched into them, and that one feels, look at that. You see that right there? What are your guys' opinions on what that is? Because I've heard a lot of different opinions. Like that could be acid in the oil. Something from, yeah, who knows. But we're gonna take these out and set them up. What's funny is it's fairly smooth, even though it's got a fat gouge in it.
Yay. All right.
So now we're pulling the rods out. Journals really don't look too bad. We look at them a lot closer. When I took the bed plate off so we could get it in there and get it cleaning. Yeah, finish it.
Anything look spun or just worn out?
Nothing yet. I don't see nothing spun. So none of them are. Yeah, who knows about worn out? They're definitely discolored though in there.
Piston cooling jets are out.
Spare block, it's ready to go.
Oil galley plugs are out. It's ready for a hot soak in the sauna.
She's ready to go in. Gonna have to hot seat it, clean it all up. Jesus. Yeah, every time we get done with a part of the job, it's a little celebration. Spare block hanging right now. A little bit of rust going on there. We're gonna go ahead and touch off on all this. So there's the block, got a little coat of paint on it. I'm gonna keep painting it. We are disassembled. We get a little bit more paint and let this dry over the weekend. Let's do that now.